Hey, look what I got. Full ground, full ground, full ground, and full ground. I am going to make a... There. I don't have any annoying things anymore. I'm going to make a neon cat now. And it's going to be so exciting. Okay, it's charging. Yep. I just got it right like literally a second ago. Glued it all the way up and I'm going to make a neon cat. It's going to be so excited. Ah! I don't know how it looks when you make... Whoa. Yeah. I don't know how it looks how you make a neon cat yet. So I'm going to go there, make a neon cat. Gonna walk over here, then I'm jump in the water, to make a neon cat, Sploosh. I go sploosh in the water. Oh. People that are new here or don't play Roblox interrupt me. The thing under the bridge is really cool. Like, how do people figure this out? Like, how do people okay, place pad. Wait, I said place you there. Place pad. Place pad. Place pad. Whoa. Is that a neon monkey? Cat. Reborn. I got a neon kitty. Meow, 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 meow. Okay, yeah, this is just gonna be a short one. I'm probably gonna play more later. Whoop, bye.